Want a diversified investment portfolio built and managed for you? SoFi's automated investing is a simple, low-cost robo-advisor that does all the heavy lifting. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In the app, go to Invest and select Automated Investing. You'll answer a brief questionnaire about your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. SoFi's algorithm then creates a personalized ETF portfolio for you. Once you fund it, they handle everything: diversification, automatic rebalancing, and dividend reinvestment. The management fee is zero. You only pay the very low fees of the underlying ETFs. My crucial pro tip: set up recurring contributions. The real magic happens when you automate. Link your checking account and set up weekly or monthly deposits. This builds your portfolio consistently through dollar cost averaging, smoothing out market volatility over time. Achieve smart, hands-off investing with zero commission and zero management fees. Would you trust a robo-advisor with your core investment portfolio? For more guides on passive investing, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.